So attendees have an opportunity to really cover the whole gamut of immuno-oncology as a state-of-the-art discipline, all the way from basic science primer lectures, really bringing people up to speed, those less familiar with the field, bringing them up to speed to state-of-the-art. For those who are already experienced, they will learn about the latest developments, novel technologies, new data relating to new therapeutic opportunities, their translation into the clinic. And there is also a huge amount of information presented on the clinical application of immuno-oncology drugs and how that is playing out in the clinic for patient benefit. So there really is something for everybody at this meeting. And there is a lot of cross-disciplinary interaction so that both clinicians and scientists can meet on a level playing field and exchange information, and each of them learn from one another. I anticipate that the experts in the field will come, they will deliver their very best lectures, they will be really in a frame of mind where they want to interact with one another. This is going to be a fantastic restart to our scientific discourse.